Growth has been pretty rapid, really,
Yes.
compared to what we expected it to be.
We sell pre-filled children's party bags. We sell anything you could possibly want to do with a children's party. Our story started probably about 7 years ago now. I'd done children's party bags for my eldest daughter's birthday. A lot of the parents commented on how good they were, suggested that I should start selling them.
eBay was the obvious place because we hand make all our party bags.
If you're going to do it, we want to do everything properly. We listed them on eBay. We sold, I think, 400 within the first month.
It was more disbelief that somebody actually liked this product we'd handmade, developed ourselves. We were doing it from home in our dining room. We outgrew that pretty quickly and it had taken over our house. Christmas Eve, the children were climbing over boxes of sweets to get into bed, and from there we took on a retail shop.
Hi, I'm Claryhse Nelson. I'm Director of the Balloon Wall at Herts Party Bags.
My name is Keehne. I'm the Director at the Balloon Wall Herts Party Bags.
We're made on eBay.
Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.